My name's Q Calentary, and this is my life. And then we're gonna cut to...
Are you ready for this?
Hi, my name is Peyton Brailsford. It's July 4th week, and we're going on a trip, and we're running real late. I gotta change. Alright, that's better. Okay, you're in the lift. My flight boards at 5. I'm supposed to get to the airport at 5. This is what we call a freak out moment. I felt long flights have a tendency to make me antsy. Between the tight tube, the long lines, the angry people, and wanting to get to your destination, flying's annoying. Which brings me to my next point, the destination. You may have heard of a little NBA free agent named LeBron James. Well, he just signed with LA. He called me to join his media team.
Including luggage and transport on your...
No, I'm here to visit a friend. Yo.
My name's Q Calentary, 23 years old, 5'11", but on Tinder I'm 6 foot. My hobbies include driving around in a really beat up Ford Explorer. 210,000 miles is pretty impressive. And yeah, you're about to see a little bit of how I live.
Good morning and happy 4th of July from the West Coast. Today, we have a fun bevy of activities queued up with Q and Sav. Yo.
Oh.
First stop on today's tour is a little place called Egg Slut.
Egg. Is that just
Egg. Egg. Now you have to say egg. You gotta say egg.
egg?
You want to kiss my egg?
It's good shit, kids. What's the next stop on the tour?
Hollywood Hills, baby.
That was weird. I don't like the way you said that.
Hollywood.
Do it.
Hollywood.
That was the best one. We're at a 4th of July party in the Hollywood Hills. It's a pretty good time. Everyone's having fun. There's a lot of beer flowing, a lot of liquor flowing. Happy Independence Day, America.
Tastes like freedom.
This is Sam.
Sam Marshall, iOS developer, Patriot, not in that order.
For the Boston Tea Party. Happy 4th, bitch. Guys, that was a good 4th of July party. Q, how did you feel about it?
We did good. We did good, fellas.
Q is not to be trusted.
Say that again.
Q is not to be trusted.
Q is not to be trusted. We did not do good. This is awful. Ow. Hello, it's Friday. Nope, it's Thursday. It's Thursday. We're getting a late, rough start today. May have overindulged a little bit on the 4th, but that's all right.
Q has to work today and so does Savannah, so I am on my own to explore LA. I'm gonna longboard down to the Venice Boardwalk and just cruise on down to the Santa Monica Pier and check it out. Let's just see what's up. Let's go. Alright, made it down to Venice Beach. It's pretty fun, but finally made it down here. Venice Beach is beautiful. People are interesting to say the least, but there's a lot to check out. Let's see a few things. They got basketball. They've also got a skate park. We're almost at the pier. You can almost see the Ferris wheel. I mean, I can see it better than you can, but almost there.
Let's get it on. Lift yourself up on your feet. Let's get it on. Lift yourself up on your feet. Let's get it on.
In all honesty, it's really wild to be here. The only time I've ever seen this. Let's go, man.
Guys?
You want to be in it?
Yeah,
What's your name?
I'm Matt.
Where are you from?
San Antonio.
How old are you?
19.
What's your favorite part about Venice?
You know, I just like the vibe. Everyone's so friendly and it's awesome.
Nice guy. Anyways, the only time I've really seen this place is in Grand Theft Auto when I'm normally mowing over citizens in a car. It's nice here though.
California, here I come, right back where I started from, where bowers of flowers bloom in the sun. Each morning at dawn and birdies singing, everything the sun kissed the mist said, don't be late. That's why I can't hardly wait. So open up your golden gates, California, here I come.
Sav and Q are finally off work, and they're gonna meet me at a restaurant that's further down Venice Boardwalk called Justa? G-J-U-S-T-A? I'm gonna just put that right there. I don't know what it is, but they said it's cool and they thought I'd like it, so let's go.
Golden gates, California. California, California, here I come. Don't you see how bright it is?
Alright, it is Friday. Q and Savannah are at work again, so I have another day to explore. I saw a lot of Venice Beach yesterday, but there were still a lot of things that I left untouched. So I'm gonna head back down there and check out a couple places. Unfortunately, I left the longboard in Sav's car, and she's at work. So I've got to get around somehow, so I'm gonna use one of these bird scooters. They use these all around this city, and they even have them back in DC, but I haven't actually had a chance to ride one yet, until today.
Don't you see how bright it is? Don't you see how bright it is?
Fun, but bumpy. Alright, I came down to Marina Beach here because, well, I wanted to see the marina. Boats are cool, yachts are even better. My first word was boat, actually. Fun fact. Family trip in the Caribbean. Caribbean? You know the word. My mom was holding me on a bridge and I saw a boat passing under yonder and I said, boat! And the rest was history. Let's go take a look at some boats. There is a reason why boat was my first word. Next stop, back to Venice Beach. We're at the Venice Beach Pier. I came to check out the views. Let's get some drone footage.
Building my bridges over walls that we made. If I fall, then at least I'm free. Building bridges over mountains, through the fire, over sea, right
Let's go sit on the beach.
to the better part of me.
Alright, it's too dang hot on this beach. It's just too dang hot. So we're gonna go cool off by taking a look at the Venice canals. Alright, just flew here on another one of these here birds. Anyways, we are now at the Venice canals. Let's take a look. So, in case you didn't know, Venice is called Venice because they actually tried to model it off of Venice, Italy. In 1905, Abbot Kinney developed the entire area, built the canals, and tried to replicate it. There used to be more canals, but they filled them in since then, but yeah, it still maintains its beauty in the small section of the city. These canals are gorgeous, but it's late and I'm hungry. I've been out all day in the sun. It's hot. I'm thirsty. It's time to meet Sav and Q for another first thing for me. We're gonna go get some poke. Alright, today's adventure brings us back to some boats just like the Marina did yesterday, except this time we're going out on one.
High priestess, lay down your love and set me free. Please make me feel alright.
Now, it's been very rude of me to not introduce the captain and owner of this boat. You may recognize him from the party the other day. It's none other than one.
Oh, I'm Sam. I'm Sam Marshall.
Sam, you remember
Yes.
Sam. You remember Sam.
Good to see you all again.
It's a subpar lifestyle, but someone's gotta do it.
High priestess, take me higher.
It was quite the day on the water. I didn't get to get everything on camera, but we saw manta rays, we saw dolphins. What else? Did we see anything else? We saw boats. Today was a great boating day. Big thanks to Captain Sam for lending his boat to us. And now we get food. Alright, so a big series of thank yous are in order. To Emily and Sam, Holly and Will, Johnson, Pedro, who I'm sorry I didn't get footage of, but I promise I love you nonetheless. And lastly, Sav and Q. Guys, thank you all for showing me such an awesome time in LA this week. And Q, if this weekend showed me anything, it showed me exactly why we've been friends since the 2nd grade. Just like Paul Rudd and Jason Segel.
I love you, dude. I love you, Bro Montana. I love you, Holmes. I love you, Broseph Goebbels. I love you, Machacha. I love you, Tico Brohe.
Okay.
I love you, man. Hey guys, if you liked the music in this video, then you may want to
Consider the following.
If you enjoyed the tunes, go check out Sentimental, the album by Jerome Silver, the song California from the album Awaken My Love by Childish Gambino, the song California remixed by Chris Lake and Matroda, originally by Sunburn, the song California Here I Come by Ray Charles, the song That's Too Slow by Weepin', the Louis Vuitton flip of Solo by Frank Ocean, and lastly 2 songs made by somebody that I went to college with at the University of Miami, the one and only Mel Bryant. You heard her 2 songs, Bridges and High Priestess, towards the end of that video. You can go check her out on YouTube, on SoundCloud, and I'll put the links below. She recently opened a recording studio in Nashville called Electric Church Studio. I will link that down below as well. Mel, thank you so much for letting me use your music. Guys, these are original songs. She's an amazing talent. Go check her out. All right. Thanks, you guys.
The city's on fire.